Hi, want to know how to enable smart charging on your Realme 12X? So, if you are wondering what is a smart charging feature on your phone, so basically this feature learns your charging patterns, and when it has done its analytics, it will help your phone charge to needed level so it can last you all day, but the battery life can be also expanded a little bit. So, to find this feature, firstly we would need to open settings on our phone and now scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named battery. Now click on it and scroll down again. Now here we are able to find the smart charging feature which also got a full description of its functions. So if you would like to know a little bit more, you can read it right here. And now to enable it we would need to simply click on this gray slider that you can see on the right side, and now when it's blue, the smart charging is successfully enabled, and now you can save your battery's life. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.